Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada. In this video, I will take a look at how to use the Avada Vimeo element. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. There are several video elements in Avada, including the YouTube element and the video element. Today we're looking at the third video element, the Vimeo element. Vimeo is a video sharing platform, but it's very different to YouTube in that it is generally used by professionals and has subscription plans. But if you're a filmmaker, you might have a Vimeo account and want to share your work on your Avada website. The Vimeo element has one job, and that's to let you quickly add Vimeo videos into your layout. I've imported the videographer Prebuilt here, and let's add a Vimeo video to the Our Projects page here. I have a column ready to go, so I'll just add the element in here. We get a small placeholder, and we can see the element options. There are two tabs here, the General tab and the Extras tab. The first option, of course, is the video ID. This determines the video to be displayed, and here you just use the last part of the Vimeo video URL as shown in the description. I'll just enter one here, and the video displays on the page. The next option is alignment. There are the usual 4 alignment options of text flow, left, center, and right. I will set this one to center. Then comes the dimensions. As the description says, if only one dimension is provided, the video will be adjusted to a 16:9 ratio. If I just go to the global options and the layout tab, I can see the site width here is 1350 pixels. So I might come back to the element and enter 1350 pixels as the width of the video. And as we can see, the video now fills the full column. The next option is called start time. And with this option, you can add a value in seconds here if you want the video to start playing at some point other than right at the start. There is an autoplay option and a mute option, both of which are set to no by default, as well as an additional API parameter option for any Vimeo API parameters. There is also a title attribute option to set the title attribute for the iframe embed of your video. Leave empty to use the default value of Vimeo Video Player followed by a number. Video façade is the next option, and the default for this site is on, which means it will only load the video player when the video is played. Margin comes next, and here you can apply a top or bottom margin to the element as a whole. And finally on this tab, there is the usual element visibility option, which allows you to show or hide the element on various screen sizes, and the CSS class and CSS ID options for further customization with custom CSS. There's also the Extras tab, with the single option of structured data. This is off by default, but you can enable this for better SEO. Okay, that's it. Simple and effective. This is a very easy way to add Vimeo content to your Avada website. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.